One of the things that the Dodd Frank Act did was it forbade the Fed from making loans to investment banks and other financial institutions so that the only loans that could be made were to commercial banks. Now, other changes have been proposed to the Fed, both in its policymaking and in its structure. One would be that the Fed must adopt a formal policy rule, something like the Taylor rule, which basically says that given all of this information, anyone can immediately know what the interest rate would be because it essentially would just be a mathematical formula that takes into account macroeconomic variables and then spits out what the interest rate should be. A second thing would be making price stability the only goal of the Fed, which means the Fed is no longer concerned with full employment. One of the reasons for this is because some economists argue that there is little to nothing the Fed can actually do that affects employment, that really the only thing they can directly affect is inflation. And then a final proposal would be to audit the Fed, to look into all of the Fed's books, so to speak, all of their finances, and to see exactly what the status of the Federal Reserve is.